Hey there, True Leaf Market. My name is Derek Jensen, and today I'm going to show you the best way to design and lay out your home garden according to me. It starts with 3 simple steps. First, analysis. Second, design. And third, construction. Your site analysis is important to help inform your design decisions. Try to notice as many of the existing conditions of your site as you can. Take pictures throughout the day to see where and when shade hits your site. As you can see, the sun will reach different areas at different times of day. Mapping out your shade lines will give you a good base for design. Next, check the soil and slope of your site. This soil is clay-based and drains poorly, so we'll have to amend the soil before planting. There's a strong slope on the east side of the site that will make it difficult to deeply water the plants. We'll have to plan for some grading or retaining when we design. Map out your slope and soil information as well. You'll also want to do some research on the local climate, pests, and anything else that could affect your plants. Now that we've finished the site analysis, it's time to design. Start by creating a map overlay of your site analysis. This will help you remember the information from your site analysis while you design. Then put a new layer over the top and start sketching out your ideas. You may have to go through several iterations before you find a design that you like. Here's one design idea, and another. I like the second idea more, so I developed that one to make the final design. Now that we have our design ready to go, it's time for construction. Before we begin, we need to gather our materials. Since northern Utah gets cold and snowy even in the spring, we'll have to plant our starts several weeks in advance to let them grow indoors before we put them outside in the garden. We'll also need to get some topsoil and fertilizer to help the plants grow in this soil. Our design calls for some extra decorations and retaining features, so we also need to get some wood, rocks, and paint. Now that we have all of our materials together, we can start building. It's time to sit back, relax, and watch the magic happen.